What's going on, everyone? My name is Alex with Elevation Off Grid. We got something special for y'all today. So as you can see behind me, we got two pretty big badass trucks. They're a little different from each other. To my left here, this is the world's first ever 2023 Ford F-550 Black Edition pickup. Now, as most of you know, or in case you didn't, the 550s come from the factory as a chassis cab, meaning there's no pickup bed, anything behind there. We are the only manufacturer in the world of these F-550 pickup beds.
So today, I want to do a little before and after comparison with our chassis cab straight from the factory and our Black Edition build completed. As you can see, there's quite a transformation between these two. Let's get into what makes a Black Edition a Black Edition.
So first thing you're going to see here is our custom EOG ultra wide HD front bumper, 1/4 inch steel, lighting integration, and winch as well. So for our front lighting system here, we have the Baja Designs 30-inch light bar custom integrated into the front bumper. We have the LP6 fogs and the XL80 cornering lamps. We have the 16,500 pound Warren winch with removable plate for top access, pulling it in or out. One of my favorite things about our trucks, how we build them, is just the little details that go into it. Here we have our EOG Spec Ford agate black grille, and this is one of my favorite parts about the truck. It just looks absolutely beautiful. You can really see the details shimmering in the sunlight. It really matches the shimmer and spec of this beautiful antimatter blue paint as well. Dovetailing off the attention to detail aspect, we have our OEM Ford black housing LED projection headlamps. These are custom blacked out to match the rest of the trim of the truck, and they look absolutely beautiful. You can really see the difference. Up next, we have our 8-inch wide custom front fender flares. Quite the difference, as you can see. These are really nice. The contour lines match the body perfectly. They're well thought out. We have these custom made for our trucks. They're absolutely beautiful. Another really nice feature standard on all of our Black Edition builds is the AMP Powerstep XL. This step gives you an additional 3 inches to get in and out of your truck, making it a little bit easier for you. We have our reflective EOG side body decal here and our blacked out custom F-550 badging with the rest of the truck as well. Now for the wheels and tires, we run a one-piece forged 20-inch DOT certified 7,000 pound wheel wrapped in a Goodyear G275 MSA 42-inch tire. Now we've heard it time and time again. If you get rid of the dually application, aren't you sacrificing towing capability and stability? And the short answer to that is no. We maintain all factory specifications, capability, and stability with our single rear wheel conversion kit. We maintain factory track width with our larger tires, and the kit allows us to keep everything aligned and stable as it was coming straight out of the factory. You can still tow 30,000 pounds gooseneck and 20,000 pounds conventional with our trucks. We'll save all the fine details for a future video, but there's a few main points to take away with the suspension system. Found in 98% of ambulances in North America, this system is all about providing comfort with capability. No trade-offs, no compromises. At its highest ride height, as you can see here, you're getting an 8-inch lift. Standard ride height will give you about a 2-inch lift, and if you want to go into low mode, you can drop it down a couple inches lower than that, so you can fit our Black Edition pickups in any standard 7-foot garage, keeping your truck protected when you need it to be. The LiquidSpring sensors read and evaluate 40 times a millisecond, constantly analyzing and adjusting your ride for the ultimate driving experience. They even have leveling for campsite. If you have a big camper on there, pull up to your campsite, auto level on uneven earth. Now, as I mentioned before, we are the only F-550 pickup manufacturer in the world. This is our EOG Spec aluminum bed, maintaining factory interior 8-foot dimensions. We got the backup camera, trailer guidance assistance system, functioning slow opening tailgate, and the entire thing is Line-X bed liner spread. Also in the rear here, we have our EOG 1/4 inch steel high strength rear bumper outfitted with Baja Design Squadron Pro rear lights, and the step surfaces are going to be Line-X sprayed as well too. All right guys, there you have it. Chassis cab to Black Edition. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We'll be looking through those and making some more videos pretty soon here, going over some of the details of our other builds and everything else we have going on. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.